Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to run properly in Call of Duty Mobile. Well, to do that, first go to your settings, then in here, find quick weapon switching. So if you see the quick weapon switch, just turn it on to enable it. This will allow you to switch weapons quickly and easily, giving you an advantage in navigating the map and rushing opponents. Use melee weapons like assault knife, combat knife, or machete. These weapons enable smooth movement around the map. Always have the AMP perk equipped. This perk takes advantage of faster weapon swap, which reduces the time it takes to switch weapons. Master double sliding by sliding and jumping back and forth. Double sliding makes you smoother, especially when rushing the enemies from behind. Use Slim Shot as your tactical grenade. This will give you an increase in speed and health, making it easier to capture objectives and hardpoint areas. And that's how to run properly in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.